Okay, what do we have today?
Did you know that a Jiffy has many definitions as a unit of time? Some are on the order of milliseconds, others in picoseconds, and others are much, much smaller. But most people use it to mean quick. TE Connectivity's Jiffy Splice products for Deutsch contacts are aptly named, as they can be used to quickly repair equipment on site. They're easy to install and they're field serviceable, because unlike permanent splices, the Jiffy Splice houses a contact retention system to secure a pair of mated contacts in a cylindrical body made from the same silicone elastometer as Deutsch industrial connector seals and grommets. They're available in two sizes, can accommodate wires from 12 to 20 AWG, and the contacts can carry current up to 25 amps. When properly wired and mated, the splices will withstand immersion under 3 feet of water without leakage or degradation of electrical performance.